그건 아마도. What does this phrase mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is AMADO. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word AMADO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 151. AMADO. AMADO. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is a, second syllable is ma, and the third syllable is do. Pronounce it with me. AMADO. The word AMADO means maybe. This is used to respond when you are not yet sure about something. If a question doesn't have a certain yes or no answer yet, you may use maybe or AMADO, as long as it is likely to happen. Now, how do we write AMADO in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable a in Hangul, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang or a no sound iyang, followed by an a character. For the second syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character, followed by an a character. And lastly, for the third syllable, we need to draw first a dikot character, followed by an o character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word AMADO. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word AMADO, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, that's likely. The Korean translation of this phrase is 그건 아마도. Again, it's 그건 아마도. The word 그건 means that is. The second part of the phrase is AMADO. Since this is our word for today, we already know that it means maybe, or this is used to express that something is only likely to happen. So if, for example, a classmate asks you what do you think? Are you going to pass the subject? Then you can possibly answer 그건 아마도. And that is to express that it is likely, but you are not yet sure. So 그건 아마도 means that's likely. Going back to the example phrase at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 그건 아마도 is simply that's likely or maybe. And with that, you've just learned AMADO. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 141 to 150. But don't forget, our word for today is AMADO, which means maybe. Remember, we have ne for yes, annyeong for no, and we have AMADO for maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요. This is a phrase which means goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is 한번, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang. This is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajuma. And this is the Korean noun for an old woman, which is approximately of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajusi. And this is the Korean noun for an old man, which is also approximately of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo. And this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is yongjae, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. And the last for our review is word number 141, dongseng, and this is the Korean noun for a younger sibling. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.